Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Gabrielle McBay and I'm back with another video. This fall cooking series is starting off with a pumpkin spice chai latte. Let's get into it. So first things first, I love a good croissant. Trader Joe's has these beautiful butter croissants. They're like mini butter croissants. They are one of my favorite things right now. I've been making them like every morning when I'm drinking some type of latte, some type of tea, whatever. It goes with every breakfast item. So I'm about to pop these in the oven. Let's get to our recipe. So for this recipe, it is a stovetop method. I'm gonna start off by adding some pumpkin puree into my pot. A lot of times with pumpkin, anything, it's kind of like pumpkin flavor, whatever. I like to use fresh pumpkin puree, and I'm also going ahead and adding my pumpkin spice to it just so that I can get that all blended in together. Now I'm going to add my milk to our pot. Y'all know I'm a little lactose intolerant, so I use almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. You can use whole milk, you can use oat milk, you can use soy milk, cashew milk, chow, whatever you use. I'm also going to add a spoonful of sugar or two into that, and I'm going to go ahead and just stir everything together. And now I'm going to add my chai. So I like to use the Bigelow chai. You can probably use any brand, but I don't know why I always get this brand because it's what I know. So I'm going to add that tea bag to my pot just because this is just for me. I'm just using one bag. If you are using this for like 1 to 2 people, you can use 2 bags. Or if you're making it for a crowd, you can use however many bags you want. But I'm using 1 bag also because I only had 1 bag left in the pantry. So I'm gonna give that a whisk. You wanna whisk everything just because with pumpkin puree, sometimes it can be a little bit, not grainy, but you wanna make sure that it gets distributed in your milk and in the spices and everything. We just want everything to come together. So we're gonna let that simmer and steep. Again, our tea bag is in there. So we're gonna let that simmer and steep while our croissants come out. Aren't they so pretty and brown? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat them. So yes, our tea is steeping. I like to steep mine for at least 5 to 10 minutes, but you can do however long. Now I am pouring into my mug, whatever mug of choice. I love this mug just because it's glass see-through. It makes me feel like a glass slipper, but it's a coffee cup. I got it from World Market for $3 and it's been my favorite thing ever. So we've got our pumpkin spice chai in there, and now I'm going ahead and adding the good stuff. Go do a little whipped cream. Like I said, I am a dairy-free person when I can be, when it matters. So me drinking dairy-filled things, child. So I like to go ahead and give a little dash of whipped cream if you like it, and also sprinkles of cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice. And that's it, child. That's our pumpkin spice chai latte. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you love it as much as I do. If you make it, let me know how you like it. And if you also want to see some more hot drinks and fall cocktails coming to this channel very, very soon, I'll talk to you later. Peace, love, and good food to you.